Wow.
You only you walk out.
Where are you going under this cotton sun? Come, let me give you a ride.
Man.
Nothing.
I'm going to that primary school. Close to that junction. There's one branch there. I'm going for a training and I'm running it.
Okay, now come.
I'm in a haste. I'm
I'll give
rushing
you a
down.
ride. Don't bother.
I'll get keke down.
Look at how you're looking. You're not supposed to be
Child.
Hey, wait.
No.
On a cap.
Hold on, let me call my mechanic. My mechanic will come here.
What type of plane? You think say they wise?
I was actually passing and he stopped me. He said, I don't know what happened. I was passing and he stopped me and said that I should enter inside the car. I don't know what is happening now. What is happening? Is it your car?
Calm down.
You just said it's your car. Why did you stop me?
Calm down. Let me call mechanic. My mechanic will come with my car so that he will drop you. Okay?
You know what? I blame myself for stopping for you.
Hold on,
You just broke ass boy like this and you stop me. And for the record, anytime you see me, you give me a chance. Don't stop me in your life. Please, this should be the last and second and last. You will stop me again. Don't stop me
Baby,
next time.
calm down now. Let me call my mechanic. This woman, I take home. I'm not looking one that you do not do. Imagine this what you do again.